I will explain everything. Never miss this video. Hello viewers, welcome to our new video. Before going to the main topic, I would like to say like this video, and please subscribe the channel. Liam Payne death accused slams judge's charge in furious three-word takedown. The lawyer of one of the 5 men allegedly charged over Liam Payne's death has blasted the investigating judge's decision as illegitimate, unfounded, and arbitrary. It was reported overnight Laura Brunyard had decided to move ahead with prosecutions of all 5 suspects and order the remand in custody of 2 of the men. Waiter Brian Noel Pais, 24, and 21-year-old Ezekiel David Pereira, currently suspended from his job at the Buenos Aires hotel where former One Direction singer Liam plunged to his death on October 16, have been allegedly accused of selling him drugs on 2 separate occasions and refused bail. The crime they face prosecution on carries a maximum 15-year prison sentence on conviction. The other 3 men allegedly charged have been named locally as Liam's businessman friend Roger Noers, hotel chief receptionist Esteban Grassi, and head of security Gilda Martin. Respected Argentinian news website Infobae reported the investigating judge had decided to charge all 3 men with manslaughter, but spare them pretrial prison in exchange for a travel ban and a £38,000 embargo of their assets. Pais and Pereira have reportedly been given 24 hours to return to court where they are expected to be told when they must report to prison. Although it is understood both men can appeal the incarceration decision and criminal charge ruling, and they are expected to do so. In the first comments by any of the suspects personally or through their lawyers since the dramatic new developments in the case emerged, Mr. Pais's lawyer admitted his client was a drug user, but insisted no money had ever changed hands. WhatsApp messages between Liam and the former waiter are said to have played a key part in Judge Brunyard's decision to accuse him of selling cocaine twice, both on 2 separate occasions on October 14, 2 days before the Brit died at Casa Sur Palermo Hotel. Fernando Medeo, appearing to signal he would appeal the judge's ruling and try to delay his client's remand in custody, said, Brian made a very extensive statement and gave all the facts. Among them, he stated that he met Liam on 2 occasions. Among several issues, which they did in a private environment, they also consumed narcotics, but it is not true that he sold him drugs. In an interview with Argentinian online news portal Todo Noticias, the lawyer added, what we said in the disclaimer is that Brian is a person who is a frequent drug user. A while back, he used to use more. He had drugs in his house for his own use. He met Liam and they both used. It's not that one took drugs to the other. They both just shared what they had. They had very wide-ranging chat conversations. It seemed like the only thing that brought them together was this. But it wasn't. They were 2 people who happened to meet each other. In fact, Liam was the one who sought out my client. Confirming the pair had met when Liam went to eat with friends and his girlfriend Kate Cassidy at the restaurant in the upmarket Buenos Aires neighborhood of Puerto Madero where Brian was working at the time, Mr. Medeo said. Liam went to talk to him and they started a brief dialogue. They exchanged Instagrams. Brian was a lifelong One Direction fan and tried to talk to him to get to know him. He wasn't the dealer. You wouldn't talk for so many hours in a private setting if you were. My client had drugs for personal use. They got together once and got high together. When he went to the hotel where Liam was, he already had drugs. Pereira, accused of selling Liam drugs on October 15th and 16th, has yet to make any comment personally or through a defense lawyer. Mr. Grassi and Mr. Martin have been identified as 2 of the 3 men pictured carrying Liam back up to his room from his hotel lobby shortly before his balcony plunge in the last harrowing photo of the singer to emerge. The chief receptionist, who made an emergency 911 call moments before the singer died, has not made any public comment since being named as one of the suspects. But leaked texts he has submitted to investigators point to Liam asking a bellboy at the Casa Sur Palermo Hotel for cocaine shortly after he checked in and calling him useless when he told him he was unable to help. The senior hotel worker also claimed the singer rang reception repeatedly, especially at night, to request alcohol and ask where he could buy cocaine. Emma Noers told a TMZ documentary examining the life and death of Liam Payne, which aired last month, that he was in good spirits and perfectly balanced the day he died, as he refuted claims the singer was acting erratically and was intoxicated shortly before his October 16th fatal fall. The businessman, initially investigated on suspicion of abandoning his pal before his death amid claims he was Liam's de facto manager, has previously protested his innocence after being named locally as one of the men under investigation. He said in a statement last month, "I never abandoned Liam. I went to his hotel 3 times that day and left 40 minutes before this happened. There were over 15 people at the hotel lobby chatting and joking with him when I left. I could have never imagined something like this would happen. I've given my statement to the prosecutor on October 17th as a witness, and I haven't spoken to any police officer or prosecutor ever since. I wasn't Liam's manager. He was just my very dear friend." No more today. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned with our channel. Thank you.